हाय देयर, कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कैंडिड चैप्टर्स. Today I'm going to be discussing about those things which I've stopped buying. I guess we all buy things and hoard them in our houses, in our wardrobe for a long period of time till we realize that we are actually not using these things. I'm not a big saver, but at the same time, I'm interested in where my money goes at the end of the day. And I do not want to end up burning a hole in my pocket. So stay tuned. Let's see the things which I've stopped buying. हम सब सामान खरीदते हैं. हमारा घर सामान से भरा रहता है. हमारी वार्डरोब कपड़ों से भरी रहती है. एंड बहुत साल पहले मैं भी ऐसे ही करती थी. बाजार जाती थी, बहुत सारे कपड़े ले आती थी और घर को सामान से भर देती थी. But the first thing which I've stopped is I do not buy things on sale. Never buy things on sale. Let's say that you are going to Alaska for a holiday and you do not have a winter jacket with you. And then the sale pops up, so you are able to buy a winter jacket at 40% discount. This is a good buy because you're not buying things on the impulse. You need a jacket, there was a sale, and you got 40% off on the jacket. This is not hoarding and not buying things on impulse. So see to it whether you're buying because it's sale or you really need it. Because we are not able to understand the difference between need and want. There are so many things which we do not want, yet we need them. And there are very few things which we need, but we still want them. So understand the difference between need and want and never buy on sale. Second, never buy a fast forward or a fashion forward outfit. We all look at the magazines and people wear all the fashionable clothes to look good and attractive. But is it really suiting you? Is it suiting your body type? Is it conducive to your lifestyle? Can you really wear it on every single occasion? Or you're just going to put it in the wardrobe and then it's going to become a wardrobe monster screaming and waiting for its turn. I do not buy fashion forward item. फैशन फॉरवर्ड आइटम वो आइटम होती है जिनका फैशन ऐसे ग्राफ के जैसे ऊपर चढ़ता है, फिर थोड़ा सा स्टेबल रहता है. When all the other companies start to make those things and then it falls down, it drops down. Always buy something which is a classic item which you can wear over a period of time. Let's say a sari, a pant, a skirt, not a bell bottom, because these are fashion forward items and they will fall, rise up and they'll fall down. Never buy a fashion forward outfit. Next point, I have stopped buying Diwali gifts and sweets on Diwali. Diwali is nearing. हम सब दिवाली में पहले क्या करते थे? एक दूसरे के घर जाते थे, उनको स्वीट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे, गिफ्ट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे. और बहुत सारी गिफ्ट्स ऐसी होती हैं जो आपके पास दी हुई होती है किसी ने, आप उनको पैक करके रीपैक करके दोबारा दूसरों को दे देते हो बिकॉज आपने वो रखी होती है अलमारी में कितने सालों से. So I have stopped buying Diwali gifts. If they are my friends, I meet them for lunch and dinner. We have a party together. We enjoy Diwali together rather than buying gifts because it's just giving one gift and getting another. And you might not even use that Diwali gift. So I've stopped buying Diwali gifts. Have you still or not? Or are you still buying Diwali gifts? Next, I have stopped buying sets. Sets are those clothes which are matched with one another and which come as a single silhouette and you can get stitched a suit out of it or let's say any other set. Instead, I buy separates. What are separates? Separates are individual pieces of clothes which can be mixed and matched with other pieces in your wardrobe to create variety of new looks. Like this, I'm able to invest in a wardrobe which has got versatility. And I do not get bored looking at the same clothes over and over again. आप शादी पे कोई भी सेट बनवाते हो, जैसे वो सलवार कमीज का सेट हो जाता है या कोई भी सेट हो, जैसे आजकल लोग क्वाड सेट्स पहनते हैं, एक बार ही आप देखते हैं उसके बाद आप बोर हो जाते हैं. जबकि सॉलिड इज सिंगल कलर, सॉलिड फैब्रिक्स और सॉलिड कपड़े जो आपकी वार्डरोब में होते हैं जिसमें थोड़ा सा कम प्रिंट होता है, वो हम एक दूसरे के साथ मैच करके पहन सकते हैं. तो मैंने तो सेट्स खरीदना बंद कर दिया है. आई इन्वेस्ट ओनली इन सॉलिड आउटफिट्स. डू यू? Next, I do not buy things which call for very high maintenance. अब हाई मेंटेनेंस वाली चीजें क्या होती हैं? हम घर बना रहे हैं, बाथरूम में फिटिंग कर रहे हैं, हमने सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव फिटिंग बाथरूम में लगा दी है और 2 साल बाद क्योंकि कोरोजन होता है एंड वी आर स्टेइंग इन चेन्नई, यहाँ पानी में बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट होता है, वो सारी फिटिंग्स खराब हो जाती हैं. Buy those things which call for less maintenance. I do not go to the parlor to put artificial eyelashes and artificial nails because I feel it's a sheer wastage of time and energy. When you have good nails, you can grow them. Anything which calls for high maintenance and wastage of time, I've stopped buying those things. Are you still buying them? What is the next best thing I've done? Next best thing is I've stopped celebrating my birthday parties. There was a time I used to call the whole town and celebrate my birthday parties. And I used to feel so wonderful because that used to give me a feeling of oneness and belongingness with my friends. But over a period of time, I realized I want to live my life, which is a better version of myself. And I want to do things which really give me inner satisfaction and happiness. So instead of throwing parties, I rather prefer to go for a spa treatment or to go for a holiday destination, to go for a trek, go on a cruise with my family, with my husband, or just a few friends. So I have stopped throwing birthday parties. I create memories by living life on my own condition without having to answer anybody as to what I am doing about my life. What is the next thing which I've stopped buying? I've stopped buying souvenirs. Earlier, I used to go for holiday destinations. I used to pick up a lot of souvenirs, and my refrigerator is full of souvenirs from all over the world. But now, when I go to foreign destination, I do not pick up anything because the memories are created in your mind. You can relive. No memory can be equated with any materialistic possession which you pick up over the period of time and which becomes more like a pain in your neck because you've got to maintain it every single day. So, no souvenirs. What is the next thing that I've stopped buying? I do not buy clothes with logos. People are very fond of logos. They want to announce their style statement or personal style through the logos which shouts from their outfit. And people who have a unique personal style, they do not associate themselves with any logos. In fact, they create their own personal style which is in sync with their values and their goals. Are you the person who's fond of logos? Ask this question to yourself. Instead of getting associated with the logos, have your own personal style. अपना स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट कीजिए, चाहे वो खादी का कुर्ता हो, चाहे वो लखनवी सूट हो, चाहे वो साड़ी हो, आपका एक यूनिक स्टाइल होना चाहिए और वो आपकी वैल्यूज के साथ उसकी सिंक्रोनिसिटी होनी चाहिए. People should be able to look at you and understand where are you from, what are your values, your roles, your ambition, your aspirations, and what are your accomplishments. Who are you as a person? So instead of getting associated with a brand or a logo, create your own personal style, become your own brand. These are the last two things which I've stopped buying. I never go in for a brand new car. I know my husband is a big lover of new cars. All men are. And as a woman, I don't think it's a need for me to buy a brand new car. But there are so many women who would like to take this takeaway from me because the moment you want to buy a brand new car, just get into this showroom, take the car for a test drive. You might feel happy for some time, and next day, when the same car is crashed on the road, you don't feel happy anymore. So, your happiness can never be equated with all the materialistic things that you buy for the sake of being happy or being in a state of euphoria. आपकी खुशी मटेरियलिस्टिक पोजेशंस पर निर्भर नहीं करती. जो चीज आप लेते हैं उससे आपको पहली जितनी खुशी मिलती है, आप वो चीज देखेंगे ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वो आपको उतनी खुशी नहीं दे पाती. इससे अच्छा गाड़ी ले जाइए, टेस्ट ड्राइव कीजिए. डोंट बाय ब्रांड न्यू कार्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गुड second hand cars which you can buy and they give you good mileage also. Last but not the least, never be in a hurry to buy the updated version of a new phone. I think people are crazy about buying iPhone because it's the updated version. People go and pick up that phone immediately from the market. बट अगर आपका पुराना फोन अच्छा है और अच्छी क्वालिटी का है और आपको सब फीचर्स दे रहा है, तो आपको इतनी जल्दी फोन अपडेट करने की क्या जरूरत है? So I do not update the phone just because it's there in the market. Yes, if my phone is not working, then I would buy the latest version, of course. But if the phone is the good condition, I don't have to show it to people that I have a good phone in my hand. Sometimes we do things for the sake of people rather than for ourselves. So these are the things which I've stopped buying. What are the things which you have stopped buying over a period of time? Think about it. Do you really need these things in your house, or you want to make your life easy? Less is more. Have a minimalistic approach in life, because your life without more things around you becomes more meaningful, and there's also less of work. So stay tuned for more such videos from Sapna Handa. Till we meet again. Bye bye.